This video is special for you where you can get access of Claude Opus 4.8, Claude Sonnet 4.6, Gemini 3 Flash and Pro GPT 5.6 for free for 2 years, which is provided by Figma Education Plan. It will be provided for student. You can easily get access of this all model from your student ID card. Then let's get started. First go to the Figma Education Plan and open these free tools for the classroom, where if you didn't have Figma account, then get started with Figma and create your account. After your account is ready, then get back here in figma.com/education and start from get verification. After that, you are landed here in apply section, where it will mention get the free Figma education plan for your classroom. Is you part of the higher education institution? Are you an educator or administrator? Then you can get benefit of this Figma K-12 program. Start from filling all the information, where you need to provide your actual data that will be matched in your ID card. What type of institution do you attend or work for now? I'm going to select higher education. If you are in school, select it school, but your age need to be more than 18. And do you have an school issue email address? If you have, select yes. I don't have. I will show you without your school issue email address. School issue ID will be at the end from .edu most of the case. Here it will ask you confirm that your age is 18 or older. Select it and you confirm that you are a student, educator or administrator. After that, select are you student, educator or administrator? I'm going to select student. And what is your primary field of study? I'm going to select computer science. Select in your respective way, and it will ask expected graduation date, which need to be matched from your ID card. I'm going to select 2027 November, and next. Then it will show the verify your student status, where it will ask your country. Provide your country name, your first name, provide your last name, school or university name, your date of birth that need to be matched in your ID card. After you have provide your date of birth, provide the email address that you have login with Figma account, and then verify my student status. It will send you the notification mail in your ID, and check it and finish the verification. Okay, this is the most important part. To continue, upload document that confirm your student status. Your document must include your full name, your academic institution name and logo need to be reflected in your identity, what you have provided, and another things that need to be included in your identity, that will be expiration date and current academic year, where it will accept 3 document type: school ID card, class schedule and tuition receipt. I'm going to add my school ID card, which is one of the best way. Add document. I'm going to select my ID card. Select your ID card. After selecting your ID card, verify. After you have verify, it will show that your application is in review and it may take up to 20 minutes, but my application will be verified within 5 minutes. If your application is rejected or accepted, you get mail: welcome to the Figma education plan. My application will be accepted, and I get this mail: welcome to the Figma education plan. You are now verified as a student and have access to our education plan, which give you all the benefit of our professional plan for free. Follow these steps to unlock access, create, upgrade or join in an education team. Without following these steps, you won't see professional feature in your team. You can also invite collaboration to join your education team. Then click on create, upgrade or join. It will redirect you to the help.figma.com, where in the third number it will mention create, upgrade or join a team. Once your education status is verified, you can create or upgrade the team you plan to use as your education team. In Figma, you can create multiple teams. To create a new team, or you can continue with your existing team as well. I'm going to open my Figma account in Fresh tab. You can see this is my Figma profile, and at the bottom one dialog will be appear. You are verified for Figma education, ready to upgrade a team for a free. If you can see, I'm currently using a free plan. I'm going to select my team and I will upgrade this my team to my Figma education plan. Click on choose team, select any team that you want to upgrade. you can easily upgrade as much team as you can. You can see almost done, everything look good, cost will be the 0, and complete the setup. Now your team will upgrade to the Figma education plan. I already mentioned that you can upgrade as much team as you can, and I'll close my all the tab and I'll open my fresh tab to show you the final overview. Here in the top right corner you can see make section will be there. Click on make, then new chat window will be open. Initially default will be shown here. If you click default, then you can see the magic here: Claude Sonnet 4.8, Claude Opus 4.8, Gemini 3 Flash, Gemini 3.1 Pro, GPT 5.6 will be available for free. Claude Opus 4.8 use more credit and other model use less credit. A warning about Claude Opus 4.8. Opus 4.8 is great for deep work, but it consumes AI credit quickly. Okay, by this way you can get some of the intelligence model that will be available in the market. And one things keep in mind, it will not provide any API key. Currently it will be only available is in browser, where Figma also provides some of the model for free as well. If you didn't upgrade your Figma education plan, then you can also get some of the model for free, but you can get Claude Opus 4.8. And if you not upgrade as a Figma education plan, then you can get less credit and you have not get access of the Claude Opus 4.8. Other than that, you can get access of remaining model without verifying your student plan. Okay, that's it for today's video. If you find this content helpful, you may consider subscribe as well. And happy coding. Bye bye. We'll meet you on the next video.